Looking to enhance your stories with custom formatting? SAP Analytics Cloud enables you to apply styling to your stories using individual and story-level widget formatting and custom CSS themes to apply a design unique to your organization. After building your story, you can customize the overall appearance using the Preferences panel, which applies consistent formatting to visual elements and widgets across pages. Here, you can change formatting options by widget to be applied at the story or application level, which can keep styling consistent when you're adding new elements and pages. To customize the appearance of individual widgets, you can edit the formatting directly using the Builder and Styling modes in the right side panel. In Builder mode, you can specify the structure of the widget, like the display type, measures, dimensions, and filters, and modify data presentation options like conditional formatting and color palette. SAP Analytics Cloud has many preset color palettes to choose from or customize to suit your organization's branding. You can also create a new color palette using the color picker or by inputting RGB, HSV, or hex codes to specify a range of colors. For geomaps, you can use Builder mode to change the base layer style and edit the color and size of data markers. In Styling mode, you can change widget formatting, including background color and border, ordering, and number formatting, as well as font, size, and color of the widget title, legend, and data labels. You can also double-click specific widget elements to directly edit individual properties in Styling mode. Different widgets have different styling options. For example, for charts, you can directly apply specific colors to a dimension or measure using Styling mode. For tables, there are different table-wide styling templates and styling rules for individual cells. Keep in mind that changes made within Styling mode are specific to the widget selected at the time of editing and will not carry over to pre-existing or newly added widgets of the same type. In the Optimized Story experience, if you want to apply more granular changes, such as changing data visualization stroke, width, and color, or adding mouse hover effects, you can directly edit the document using custom CSS styling. In the CSS editor, you can select the widget type you want to style to view its editable elements, their editable properties, and any relevant descendants or pseudo-classes. You can include a custom class name and the predefined element class name as the selector, and then define the property values you wish to customize within the declaration block. To apply your custom CSS to individual page elements, you can add the custom class name to widgets using Styling mode. You can create multiple custom classes, each modifying the styling of individual widget types, or one class including all styling changes. When using one CSS class, you can use the Outline panel to change the global CSS class name and apply your changes across the entire page. To reuse your formatting edits, you can save your story-level formatting changes and CSS styling as a theme, to apply to other pages in your story, or to new stories created in the Optimized Story experience. So if you're ready to level up your story formatting with styling preferences and custom CSS, check out the help topic links in the description and try it for yourself today.